In this video, I will be showing you how to convert a Word document to a presentation in Gamma AI. Let's get started. I'll begin by clicking the Create New AI button on the main dashboard and then selecting Import File or URL. Next, I'll click the Upload a File box and choose my Word document from my local files. While the file uploads, Gamma analyzes the content to structure it effectively for a slide deck. Once uploaded, I'll select the Presentation option and hit Continue. In the prompt editor, I'll keep the text amount minimal for a cleaner look. Now I'll pick a theme that fits the vibe. The serene theme looks great, and then I'll click Generate. You can watch as the AI builds the slides in real time, adding relevant images, professional layouts, and even data tables based on the document. Once the presentation is ready, I'll give it a quick review to ensure everything looks perfect. Finally, I'll click Share at the top, go to the Export tab, and select Export to PowerPoint to download the finished file to my computer. And there you have it. That's the complete process of converting a Word document to a presentation in Gamma AI. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.